26 Assume the speed of sound is 1130 foot per second. What frequency has a wavelength of 1 foot, 1.5 inches? A. 500 Hz. B. 1000 Hz. C. 1500 Hz. D. 2000 Hz. Answer, B. 1000 Hz. 27 The wire must bring 100 average watts to a 4 ohms loudspeaker must safely carry what RMS current? A. 2 amp. B. 4 amp. C. 5 amp. D. 6 amp. Answer, C. 5 amp. 28 A church has an internal volume of 90.05 cubic foot, 2550 cubic meter. When it contains customary sabines of absorption, 186 metric sabines, what will be its reverberation time in seconds? A. 2.0. B. 2.2. C. 2.5. D. 3.0. Answer, B. 2.2. 29 If the RMS sound pressure is 5 pound per square foot, what is the sound pressure level? A. 7.6 dB. B. 108 dB. C. 88 dB. D. 10 dB. Answer, A. 7.6 dB. 30 Speed that is faster than speed of sound. A. Ultrasonic. B. Supersonic. C. Subsonic. D. Transonic. Answer, B. Supersonic. 31 Sound waves travel faster in water at a blank speed. A. 12.4 miles per seconds. B. 5,000 feet per seconds. C. 186,000 feet per seconds. D. 3141 foot per seconds. Answer, B. 5,000 feet per seconds. 32 What is the sound power from a motor car whose SPL at a distance of 7.5 meter is 87 dB assuming that it radiates sound uniformly? A. 0.15 watts. B. 0.21 watts. C. 0.24 watts. D. 0.18 watts. Answer, D. 0.18 watts. 33 Crest-to-crest distance along the direction to wave travel. A. Compression. B. Wavelength. C. Period. D. Sound wave. Answer, B. Wavelength. 34 Sound intensity level is blank. A. 10 log I over I ref. B. 10 log P over P ref. C. 20 log I over I ref. D. 30 log P over P ref. Answer, A. 10 log I over I ref. 35 Sound pressure level is blank. A. 20 log P over P reference. B. 30 log P over P reference. C. 10 log P over P reference. D. 20 log I over I reference. Answer, A. 20 log P over P reference. 36 The most important specification of loudspeakers and microphones. A. Frequency response. B. Field strength. C. Power density. D. Gain. Answer, A. Frequency response. 37 Lowest frequency produced by a musical instrument. A. Midrange. B. Harmonic. C. Reflection. D. Refraction. Answer, C. Reflection. 38 Tendency of a sound energy to spread. A. Diffraction. B. Rarefaction. C. Reflection. D. Refraction. Answer, A. Diffraction. 39. When waves bend away from straight lines of travel, it is called blank. A. Reflection. B. Diffraction. C. Rarefraction. D. Refraction. Answer, D. Refraction. 40. Required time for any sound to decay to 60 dB. A. Echo time. B. Delay time. C. Reverberation time. D. Transient time. Answer, C. Reverberation time. 41. The intensity needed to produce an audible sound varies with blank. A. Frequency. B. Noise. C. Amplitude. D. Tone. Answer, A. Frequency. 42. Sound that vibrates too high for the human ear to hear, over 20 kHz. A. Subsonic. B. Transonic. C. Ultrasonic. D. Stereo. Answer, C. Ultrasonic. 43. Which microphone will be damaged if exposed to high temperature above 52 degrees Celsius? A. Dynamic. B. Crystal. C. Ribbon. D. Capacitor. Answer, B. Crystal. 44. A thin springy sheet of bakelite or metal that permits the voice coil in a dynamic loudspeaker to move back and forth along the core of its magnet. A. Vibrator. B. Diaphragm. C. Hypex. D. Spider. Answer, D. Spider. 45. 120 bars of pressure variation is equal to A. 120 dB SPL. B. 57.78 dB SPL. C. 115.56 dB SPL. D. 41.58 dB SPL. Answers, C. 115.56 dB SPL. 46. The reverberation time of a 184.2 cubic meters broadcast studio is 0.84 seconds. Find the absorption effect of the materials used in metric sabines. A. 35.3. B. 10.96. C. 379.8. D. 109.6. Answer, A. 35.3. 47. What is the microphone characteristic that results in a boost in bass frequencies for close microphone spacing? A. Field effect. B. Pot effect. C. Proximity effect. D. Reverberation. Answer, C. Proximity effect. 48. What is the audio frequency range? A. 20 kHz to 20 MHz. B. 0 Hz to 20 kHz. C. 300 Hz to 400 Hz. D. 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Answer, D. 20 Hz to 20 kHz. 49. What is the bass frequency range? A. 2500 Hz to 5000 Hz. B. 5000 Hz to 10 kHz. C. 40 kHz to 160 kHz. D. 10 Hz to 20 kHz. Answer, D. 10 Hz to 20 kHz. 50. High frequency range of audio signals. A. 2500 Hz to 5000 Hz. B. 5000 Hz to 10 kHz. C. 10 kHz to 20 kHz. D. 20,000 Hz to 30 kHz. Answer, B. 5000 Hz to 10 kHz.